If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, welcome. This is Pen Mail. Today, Pen Mail. Today is the day that I've been waiting for my pen to come in. It's another Grail pen. This pen is really just dynamite cool, fantastic. It just screams, at least to me it does. Yes, it's a high-end pen. And what's really funny about this pen to me is I was watching the movie the day before I said yes to this pen. Very interesting movie. I can't tell you the name yet because that'll give the pen away. But let me just open it up and give you a little look-see on the outside of this pen, because this pen is not just any pen. No, at least not to me. You have to really appreciate fountain pens, sincerely. Yeah, a lot of people wouldn't pay that kind of money for this pen, but then even if you're a poor guy like me, you have to save up. You have to sell other pens to buy a pen like this, right? At least I think you do. So, and this is what you get. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yes.
Isn't that lovely? And here's how it works. Here's the pen, the nib, and you write like this. You put it in the ink, and and then you're done. Okay, now, okay. I'm having a moment. So, here it comes. Here comes your 19th nervous breakdown. This is really exciting, isn't it? Wow. Heavy duty. All right. Here we go. Now let's see that name. I'll let you see another name, but not that name. No. Brand new in the box. Yeah, I know. You'll see some used ones on eBay. You'll see a few new ones on eBay. And then you'll see the price of them on eBay. Wow. Stunning fountain pen. So, I don't know if I can show the box. It might give it away. Yeah, all right. There it is. Does the box give away what this pen is made by Mont Blanc? Well, my friends, I will be doing the unboxing and review very, very soon. So, stay tuned. Peace out.